Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. My view basically to the previous video hasn't really changed. We pushed a little bit higher today. We pushed up to 37.6 cents. However, this doesn't make this chart bullish. Still all options on the table here for a further sell-off. We talked about it in the previous video that the move here from that wave 4 high could just simply be a wave 1 to the downside. Yeah, we had our 5 waves down there. To be honest, I need to label that properly. That doesn't work with these huge numbers here. Let me do that. I think I did it, made it a bit in a rush in the previous video. So here wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll change the wave degree on these here to the smallest, just to give you an idea here what's unfolding. Okay, so wave 4 was this high at 38.9 cents. We then came down in a 5-wave impulse to the downside, found support here, basically double bottom, moved up a little bit, no problem. Yeah, looks corrective in a wave 2 in my opinion. That's how I see this at the moment, and at the moment this looks to me like a WXY, but it also looks like the Y wave isn't finished yet. So how high can the Y wave go? We take a look at that in a minute. And let me take these lines out. I think they're not relevant anymore. And after that, I would expect further sell-off in a wave 3, move up in a 4, coming down in a 5 to finish off wave 5 of 3. So this is still not the end of this sort of cascading down. Still looking here for lower levels. Important now to understand, where could that wave Y high be? And for that, we take the length of wave W, add it to the low of the wave X, and the key target is 38 cents. That is one key target now, right? The 38-cent level. It must not get above the 38.9 cent level. It could also get close to that. That's the 1.618 extension. Yeah, it could get close to that, but it should not exceed that level. Yeah, ideally it turns around at 38 cents. So that's how I see this, so that we get here something like that, and move up in a wave Y and then come down. So this is one possibility. The other possibility that I'm not really promoting here, but I talked about that in a previous video, that all of this is just a triangle A. And we have the B here, then a C wave to the upside, which is unfolding now, then a D down and an E up, but I need to move that here. So A, B, C. So whether it is just a wave C or a WXY in a wave 2, it doesn't really matter. The view would be we can certainly push a bit higher. 38 cents would be a key level here, yeah? And then we would roll over in a wave D, maybe move up in a wave E or come down straight away. So the point is, this is not a bullish wave pattern. This does not look impulsive to the upside. But for both of these patterns to work out, we need to stay below 38.9 cents. Okay, but it could be a triangle. It could also be that WXY in a wave 2 correction. But again, the focus hasn't shifted. The focus remains here still on new lows, at least at the moment, unless the chart proves that this is not the case, unless ADA shows us something different. Gave you a key resistance level here at 38 cents. And I think at the moment we're just waiting. There's another way how we can actually calculate here a target for, if this is a triangle, another way to calculate a target for the wave C, and we can take the length of the wave A and we add it to the low of the wave B, which would be here, and then a target would be 38.4 cents, which is the 61.8% extension of the wave A. So we've got one target here and then 38 cents. This is sort of my range where I would believe, or at least not believe, but where I think ADA could push into and has a strong chance to get rejected. So I'll put that onto the chart here. Let's see if we get there. Yeah, and let's see how this unfolds. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.